Today, boys and girls, in your phonics word study lesson, we talked about words that have two vowels together called a vowel combination. Sometimes the combination sounds like the name of the first vowel, like in the word sneak, S-N-E-A-K, you hear it say E. Sometimes it stands for a different sound, like O-I in the word oil says oi. So today in your independent station, you are going to use the four words on your grid, soil, shout, main, and bean, to create word ladders. You're going to change the word, the beginning letter of the word only, and keep the same vowel combination. For example, for soil, we could also change the first letter and make it say broil by putting a BR instead of the S, but the rest remains the same. So you're going to continue doing this in every one. Make words that end like shout, words that end the same as main, and words that end the same as bean. Remember, your vowel combination has to stay the same, only the beginning letter or letters will change.